Hi there. Today we are going to install Shiplap. So I'm going to show you the process of installing Shiplap from the beginning, from measuring and designing, marking your walls, and to staple it to the wall, or nail it to the wall if you nail or staple. But this is a piece of Shiplap that I cut it. It was 8 feet tall, and I cut it in pieces, 4 feet, 5 feet, and 3 feet. So give a little bit of design to your wall. So this is what we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First things first, you have to find the studs in your wall. I'm immediately gonna show you how to find the studs.
Put it on your wall, and then you go side to side, and then once it starts to go green and do that buzz, then you know where it is. Okay. And you can mark it with chalk.
Okay, do it again here so people can see. Keep on going. And there you go. So you have to mark your whole wall. As you can see, I marked the whole wall, the strength of the wall. At the bottom, the first set of wood at the bottom over there, it has to be nice and level. So here's a piece of wood I'm going to use on this corner here to show you how to nail it to the wall. Again, I'm using the groove side over here, not the smooth one. So I'm going to put it there where you already measured, and my wife went downstairs and she cut it. So it fits right out there. So in order to level it, can you give me that piece of I'm using this here just to separate a little bit, so it gives you a little bit of distance. The good thing about this, you can hold it, so before you nail it. So I'm gonna do one here so you can see it. I have a gun here, and I'm gonna nail over here, and then I'm gonna nail over here, and I can take this off. So the other thing you're gonna do is make sure, let me give you the level. Make sure that it is level. You can see it all the way from over there, but it's very level, like correctly. So you can go ahead and continue to nail it. So I'm gonna nail the rest here. And that's how you do it. Okay, now our wall is all complete, all done. I can notice at the top I put crown molding just to finish it. And then always remember to start the bottom leveled. As you start the bottom leveled, everything else should be leveled. Now you can either paint, stain, remember the corners to finish your corners, and everything should be okay. Just take your time. It's gonna take a while to do it, and then I know you can do it. Have fun.